In today's fast-paced world, most people forget one of the simplest but most powerful ways to take care of themselves: eating a balanced diet. What you eat every day doesn't just affect your body, it shapes your energy, your emotions, your focus, and even the way you see the world. Food is fuel, but it's also information. Every bite you take tells your body what to do next, whether to build strength, to store fat, to heal, or to harm. So when we talk about eating a balanced diet, we're not just talking about counting calories or cutting carbs. We're talking about giving your body what it truly needs to function at its best. Imagine your body like a car. You wouldn't pour soda into the fuel tank and expect it to run smoothly. In the same way, you can't expect your body to perform well if you're filling it with junk food, processed snacks, and sugary drinks. The quality of your energy, your mood, and even your thoughts often depend on the quality of your nutrition. A balanced diet doesn't mean perfection, it means balance, giving your body the right mix of nutrients, colors, and variety. A healthy plate should include a combination of protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber. Protein helps build muscles, repair tissues, and keep you feeling full. You can get it from eggs, fish, lean meats, beans, or lentils. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy, but the type of carbs you choose matters. Go for whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa instead of white bread or sugary cereals. Healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocados, are vital for your brain and hormones. And fiber, found in vegetables, fruits, and legumes, helps your digestion and keeps your gut healthy. Color is another secret to a balanced diet. Each color in fruits and vegetables represents different nutrients and antioxidants that protect your body from disease. Red foods like tomatoes and strawberries are rich in lycopene and vitamin C. Green vegetables like spinach and broccoli give you iron, calcium, and folate. Orange and yellow foods like carrots, mangoes, and sweet potatoes provide vitamin A and beta-carotene. The more colors you eat, the more nutrients your body receives. Think of your plate as a canvas: the brighter and more natural the colors, the better for you. It's also important to be mindful about how you eat, not just what you eat. Many people eat while scrolling through their phones or watching TV, not realizing how much they consume. Mindful eating means slowing down, appreciating the flavor, and listening to your body. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full, and avoid emotional eating. Sometimes, what we think is hunger is actually thirst or stress. Try drinking water first, or take a deep breath before reaching for a snack. Speaking of water, hydration is one of the most overlooked aspects of a balanced diet. Your body is made up of about 70% water, and even slight dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and poor concentration. Make it a habit to drink a glass of water before every meal. Carry a reusable bottle with you during the day, and aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses daily. Avoiding processed foods and sugar is another key factor. Processed foods are often loaded with artificial flavors, chemicals, and hidden fats that can lead to weight gain, heart problems, and inflammation. Sugar, especially in soft drinks, pastries, and sauces, can mess with your mood and energy levels. Instead, choose natural sweetness, fruits, honey, or dates, and remember that your taste buds can adapt. The less sugar you consume, the less you'll crave it over time. Portion control is also vital. Even healthy foods can become unhealthy if eaten in large amounts. A balanced diet is about moderation. Instead of restricting or labeling foods as good or bad, focus on how they make you feel. Eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. Using smaller plates, chewing slowly, and serving reasonable portions can make a big difference. Another powerful way to maintain balance is meal planning. When you plan your meals ahead, you're less likely to grab fast food or skip meals. Preparing simple, home-cooked meals gives you control over ingredients and portions. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast: eggs, oatmeal, or yogurt with fruit. For lunch, include lean protein and colorful vegetables. For dinner, keep it light but nutritious. Snacks like nuts, fruit, or yogurt can keep you fueled between meals. Eating a balanced diet isn't just about physical health, it deeply affects your mental and emotional well-being. Studies show that people who eat a variety of whole foods experience lower levels of anxiety and depression. Nutrient-rich foods nourish your brain, stabilize your mood, and help you handle stress better. Omega-3 fats from fish, magnesium from leafy greens, and B vitamins from whole grains all support brain function. Remember, healthy eating is not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about choosing foods that make you feel alive rather than drained. It's about respecting your body enough to give it the fuel it deserves. You don't have to follow strict diets or cut out entire food groups. Start small, replace soda with water, fried food with grilled, white bread with brown. Over time, these small steps add up and transform your energy, your confidence, and your life. Everyone's body is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. The key is to listen to your body. Notice how different foods make you feel. Do you feel sluggish after a heavy meal or energized after eating fresh fruits and vegetables? Your body gives you feedback every day, all you have to do is listen. Lastly, remember that balance is not built overnight. It's a lifestyle, a journey. Some days you'll eat perfectly, and other days you won't, and that's okay. The goal isn't perfection but progress. Eating a balanced diet is one of the most powerful forms of self-care you can practice. Every meal is a chance to heal, to energize, and to love yourself a little more. So, start today. Choose real food. Choose balance. Choose health. Because at the end of the day, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself, and it begins with what's on your plate.